Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back once again. Here's another tutorial from me to you with a new video on the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your computer screen to your smart TV in a really easy and simple way. But before I show you guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button because it really helps the channel out, and share it with your friends too. That helps the channel a lot as well, guys. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this process and how to mirror it on your smart TV. Just a reminder, your smart TV needs to have this option so you can cast your computer or laptop screen. This is really useful if you don't want to use cables. You can just cast directly, making things easier by using fewer cables and transmitting wirelessly, guys. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you how it works. The first step you're going to take on Windows 10 is to click on this little speech bubble here, next to the clock, and look for the project option. If it's not showing up here, you might need to expand the menu. It could be hidden. You click on Expand, and these options will show up. Then you click on Project and select this last option here, Connect to a wireless display. Remember that on some TVs, you need to activate the Smart TV feature so it shows up on your network. In other words, if it's not enabled on the TV, it won't show up in this search. It'll just keep searching and searching, and your TV won't appear. My TV is a TCL, right? Here it already shows up as TV 159A, and you just click on the TV here, and it will automatically start connecting. Just a reminder, I'll also leave this on my blog below for you to check out as well. I'll post the step-by-step guide for you to see how to do it too. And here it's already connected, see? And here it's already made the connection. Look, connected to TV, and so on. Now I'm going to disconnect and show you how to do the next option. I've disconnected here, and I'm going to show you another method you can use on your PC or laptop. You press the Windows key plus the letter P, and it'll open this project screen, see, and then you follow the same steps. Connect to a wireless display and click on your TV when it shows up in these options. So guys, now I'm going to show you how it looks on the screen, right? This wireless transmission that you'll be able to check out on the screen. As you can see here, it's already connected. This is my TV, see, my PC is already connected to the TV. I told you it was a TCL TV, right? Just so you can see that it really is a smart TV. And remember that you also need to activate this option on your TV so your computer or laptop can detect it, and you can make this connection. I'm going to show you how to make this connection on a TCL TV, and it's pretty similar on other TVs too, so you'll also be able to activate it so your computer or laptop can recognize it. Shall we go to the computer screen? So guys, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. You saw that it worked, right? I connected my laptop directly to my smart TV by mirroring. So that's what I wanted to show you. Just a reminder, I'll also leave the step-by-step instructions in the link below on my blog, and you can check it out there too. So that's it. Share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and watch more videos. There are plenty on the channel. Thanks, see you next time.